If you have reached the CS Professional stage, congratulations. You are now at the final and most prestigious level of the Company Secretary course. This stage transforms you from a student into a corporate governance expert, legal strategist, and trusted business advisor. We will explain through the complete CS Professional roadmap what CS Professional is, eligibility, registration process, syllabus and modules, smart study strategies, exam pattern, career opportunities, additional success tips, and how the CareerAligns training program can support your journey. So let's begin. What is CS Professional? First, understand what is a CS Professional. CS Professional is the final academic level of the Company Secretary course conducted by the Institute of Company Secretaries of India, commonly known as ICSI. After clearing the CS Executive, students become eligible to register for the CS Professional. This level focuses on advanced corporate laws, strategic management, governance practices, risk management, and leadership skills. Unlike earlier stages, CS Professional is not just about theory. It is about applying knowledge to real-world corporate and regulatory scenarios. Clearing the CS Professional is a crucial step toward becoming a qualified company secretary. Eligibility Criteria. Explore the eligibility criteria for CS Professional. To register for CS Professional, a student must have cleared both modules of the CS Executive program. There are no additional educational qualifications required beyond this. There is no age limit, which means students and working professionals can pursue the CS Professional at their own pace. Once eligible, students can register for one module or all modules together, depending on their preparation strategy and time availability. This flexibility allows candidates to plan their studies in a way that suits their personal and professional commitments. ICSI registration process. Here's how to register for the CS Professional program through ICSI. The registration process is completely online through the official ICSI portal. Students need to log in using their credentials, select CS Professional registration, and fill in the required personal and academic details. After uploading the necessary documents and paying the registration fee, the application is submitted for verification. Once approved, students receive confirmation and gain access to study resources and examination updates. Timely registration is very important to ensure eligibility for the desired exam session. CS Professional Syllabus, Modules and Subjects. We'll guide you through the CS Professional Syllabus, focusing on the modules and subjects that matter most. The CS Professional program is divided into 3 modules, each focusing on a specialized area of corporate practice. Module 1 focuses on governance, risk, ethics, and compliance. Subjects in this module include corporate governance, risk management, internal controls, ethics, and sustainability. This module trains students to understand how organizations are governed, how risks are identified and managed, and how ethical decision-making is implemented at the board level. Module 2 focuses on advanced laws and corporate practices. It includes subjects such as corporate restructuring, insolvency and bankruptcy code, capital markets, and securities laws. This module prepares students to handle mergers, acquisitions, restructuring, and regulatory compliance, which are core responsibilities of a company secretary. Module 3 focuses on strategic management and specialized electives. Students can choose electives based on their interests, such as banking law, insurance law, intellectual property rights, labor laws, or economic laws. This module allows students to specialize and align their career goals with specific industries or domains. Together, all 3 modules develop strategic thinking, legal expertise, and leadership capability. Smart Study Strategy for CS Professional Advance, your practical study plan that helps CS Professional aspirants stay consistent and exam ready. CS Professional demands deep conceptual understanding and practical application, not memorization. The first step is to thoroughly understand the syllabus and break it into manageable study targets. Focus on case laws, amendments, and practical scenarios, especially in governance, insolvency, and restructuring topics. Regular answer writing practice is extremely important, as exams are fully descriptive and require structured, professional responses. Revision should be continuous, not last minute. Using previous year question papers, mock exams, and case-based practice will significantly improve confidence and presentation. Consistency, discipline, and strategic planning are the keys to clearing CS Professional. Exam pattern and passing criteria. We'll explain the exam pattern and what it takes to pass the exam. CS Professional examinations are conducted in offline mode and are descriptive in nature. Each paper carries 100 marks, and the duration of each exam is 3 hours. To pass, a student must score at least 40% in each subject and 50% aggregate in each module. If a student fails to meet the aggregate requirement, they must reappear for the required papers in the next attempt. Balanced preparation across all subjects is essential to clear the modules efficiently. Career opportunities. Enhance your career opportunities after the CS Professional. After clearing CS Professional and completing mandatory training, students can apply for associate membership of ICSI and officially become company secretaries. Qualified CS professionals can work as company secretaries, compliance officers, corporate legal advisors, governance professionals, risk managers, and secretarial auditors. They are in high demand across corporate organizations, listed companies, law firms, banks, financial institutions, consulting firms, and multinational corporations. With experience, CS professionals move into senior leadership roles, board-level advisory positions, or even start their own professional practice. Additional tips. Here are some proven tips to help you crack CS Professional with confidence. Stay updated with legal amendments, regulatory changes, and case laws, as these are frequently tested. Develop a habit of reading professional journals and business news to strengthen conceptual clarity. Time management is crucial practice, writing answers within the exam time limit. Do not ignore presentation, structure, and clarity as they significantly impact scoring. Most importantly, stay consistent and patient. CS Professional is challenging, but absolutely achievable with the right approach. Training program. Finally, let's talk about the CareerAligns CS Professional Training Program. Preparing for the CS Professional becomes much more effective with expert guidance and structured mentoring. The CareerAligns training program offers comprehensive coverage of all modules, taught by experienced faculty with strong industry exposure. The program includes concept-focused sessions, case law analysis, answer writing practice, mock examinations, and personalized mentoring. CareerAligns focuses on clarity, confidence, and exam-oriented preparation, helping students successfully clear the CS Professional and transition into professional life. If this roadmap helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more career-focused guidance. Thank you for watching, and all the best for your CS Professional journey.